Jai Gurudev. Today we are going to discuss about lesson number 6, Animals' Life. How do animals breathe? Before seeing the animal, let us see the human breathing. This is the human structure. Here the oxygen enter into the nose and move to the windpipe, and again it moves to the lungs. Here the lungs has the blood vessels. In the blood vessels, the gaseous exchange between the lungs and the blood take place through the blood vessels. Exchange of gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide will take place in the blood vessels. In the same way, the carbon dioxide comes out from the lungs and move to the windpipe. It comes out from the nose. Human being, cat, cow and dog also breathe through their lungs. Not only human being, but also reptile and birds also breathe through their lungs. There are a number of animals that do not have lungs. They have some other organ for breathing. For example, now look at the aquarium. Here the fishes are having the special organ. The fish takes in the oxygen that is dissolved in water. It has a special organs called gills. By using the gills only, the fishes are breathing. So the gases are enter into the mouth, passes through the gills. The exchange of gas take place between the gills and the water. The gills take in oxygen dissolved in water and release the carbon dioxide. Fish, tadpole, prawn and oyster also using the gills for breathing. Next we discuss about the amphibian. So the frog is an amphibian because it lives both in land and also in water. While living in land, it uses the lungs for breathing. But in water, it uses the moist skin. Next we discuss about the insects. Insects also have the special organ. This is the spiracles. The spiracles have the small holes on the sides of their body. And this is the air tube. By using the air tube only, the gases enter into the other organs. So here the oxygen enter into the spiracles and moves to the air tube, and this air tube will passes through all the organs. In the same way, the carbon dioxide also comes out in the same path. Next we discuss about some other animals that do not have the special body parts for breathing. Instead, they are breathe through their skin, like earthworm. Earthworm absorb the oxygen and release the carbon dioxide directly through the thin and moist skin. Let's recap. Mammals, birds and reptiles breathe through their lungs. Animals like fish and tadpole breathe through their gills. Insects breathe through the spiracles. Amphibians like frog breathe through the lungs on land and skin in water. And earthworm breathe through the moist and thin skin. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.